Welcome to the part 38 of the Gregg Shorthand course. In this video, we're going to have a look at omission of U and OW. Alright, so this video is all about omission of U and OW. Alright, so you have to remember one thing here is that whenever you have this U and OW before N or either M, then these U and OW will not be used. So for example, if we have a word called sun, so if you pronounce it goes like sun, so we have U here, but it is pronounced as a, so we can simply call a as in sun. So this sun word will be made like this. So as the topic says, omission of U and OW, so we have this N here, and before that we have this U or a, so we will not be making this a here. Alright, so here we just omitted this a. So in the same way, if you have another word called some this time, so see if you pronounce it goes like some, so again we have this M here, and before that we have this a or U, right? So if we read this again, it says U and OW before N and M. So here we had N and here we are having M. So that's why we omitted the U here in this word, and here also in this word we will be omitting the U. So this word can be simply written like this. This is our S, and we omitted the U or a, and then we have this M. Okay, so let's take another word, like a word called done. Okay, so now if you pronounce this word, it goes like done, but see, we don't have U here anywhere in this word, but if you pronounce it goes like done. So we have similar a sound. Alright, similar a sound here. So we will be omitting this a here also. So this word can be made like this. Alright, see, this is our D, then we have this short stroke which is N. So we omitted the a here also. Okay, so in the same way, if you have another word called like run, so see, again we have this U here or a, so we can simply make this word like this. This is our short curve which is N, which is R, and then we have this short stroke which is our N. Okay, so that was about this a or U. Now we're gonna take an example, suppose a word called town. Okay, so if you pronounce it goes like town, so we have ow sound here, and here we also have this ow. So it's simply saying that U ow before N and M. So here we are having this N here, and before that we have this ow. So we have to omit this ow also in this word. So we will be making this town word simply like this. This is our T, and this is our short stroke which is N. So if you can notice, we omitted ow here because we have this ow before this N. In the same way, we will be omitting this ow in any word if we are having this M also, because this line says U ow before N and M. So you have to keep this in your mind whenever you have this U or ow or a or ow before N or M. So this U and ow or a and ow will be omitted. Okay, so now suppose we have another word called rush. Right, So if we pronounce it goes like a rush. So now we have U or A, but now this time we don't have this N or M, but we have this ish here. So ish is made like this. So if you can notice, this one is a downward stroke. Now you have to keep one thing in your mind, that whenever you have this this U or A before any downward stroke, right, before any downward stroke, then you will be omitting this U or A. So this word can be written like this. So we have this R here, and then we have this ish. So this one is a downward stroke. So here we omitted U again. So suppose we have another example called touch. So if we pronounce it goes like touch. So now we have this sound again in this word, and we have this che now here. So che is made like this, and this one is a downward stroke. So again we will be making this touch word like this. So this is our T, and this is our che, which is short stroke. So let's see this again. We have this touch word, and we have A or U before che. So che is a downward stroke. So you have to keep this in your mind, that whenever you have U or A before a downward stroke, then this U or A will be omitted. Right, so that was all about it, and I will see you in the next video.